Dr. Jennifer Stagg is an expert in nutrigenomics and precision lifestyle medicine. She is the author of the book Unzip Your Genes and is the founder and medical director of Whole Health Wellness Center in Connecticut. Dr. Stagg is a sought-after speaker and medical contributor and has appeared on NBC, ABC and CBS. Jennifer is passionate about helping people take charge of their health by fulfilling their genetic potential. We once thought that our genes were set in stone and concrete. However, it turns out that how you live imparts signals to your DNA, which triggers a change in gene expression. When cortisol is elevated from stress, it changes DNA methylation patterns, which impacts gene function. This also happens in response to dietary intake, emotional connection, physical activity, and even when a baby is held. This is why practices like meditation, guided relaxation, yoga, exercise, a diet rich in colourful plants, and maintaining meaningful relationships all have such deep impact on our overall health and emotional well-being. By approaching our mental health conditions this way, we're able to get to the root cause of why our systems have become imbalanced, which then allows us to focus on changes we can make to achieve optimum levels of health and wellness. Lifestyle practices that promote healthy DNA expression is the key to feeling your best. I downloaded Jennifer's book Unzip Your Genes and read it within a day. I found it to be an incredibly informative book that explains in detail how we can change our genes and DNA once we've done a genetic profile. I had absolutely no idea that our genes could impact our current physical and mental state. The most that I knew about genes was that epigenetics influences us today. What I learnt from Jennifer's book was that genes are genetic potential and we all have the ability to transform our health and well-being by changing our lifestyle, living holistically, decreasing our exposure to toxins and living clean. All of these also better equip you to manage stress. Jennifer goes into great detail about how stress impacts our DNA and epigenetic expression. When we're under stress, which can be acute or low-grade chronic stress, our body releases the hormone cortisol. This affects methylation patterns along epigenomes, which is how your DNA gets tagged. When we're stressed, cortisol is released, and this leads to the inhibition of an enzyme called telomerase. This is an important enzyme because it replenishes telomeres, which are protective cases at the end strands of DNA. Each time a cell divides, we lose telomeres, and without it being replenished by the enzyme, your supply decreases. This enzyme decrease causes cell death, or they become pro-inflammatory, which triggers aging and other health risks like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer.